a bit gloomy outside, but we might get some finish on that Alex Van Halen clone. Gonna do re-rings in the big bass drum, start re-rings on 2 Steve Weiss drums just so we're ahead of the game, and then maybe dig into the crushed Yamaha. Before that, a little bit of cleanup. Hey. We'll fix it in the edit. Did you make it?
Yeah. The inside might be a hair tight, but I think when it's clamped and it's not just me pressing with my hands, I think it'll wind up being perfect.
Too dang big for the sanding table.
Yep. So, we'll do it this way. Now, before we cut edges and have to actually level the drum, that's going to be more of an adventure because this doesn't matter, but that will. But for right now, sounds like a problem for future build.
After a 32-inch bass drum, re-rings and a 16-inch breeze. The 32-inch drum, by the time you get all the way around the ring, your glue's already tacking up.
Yeah, it's really drying here today, and glue is drying fast.
Spring clamps to hold it, and then start with the seam.
Yeah. Yeah, the way, like, this is just kind of...
That's the move. Join our Patreon.
Yeah. I've sort of settled on is, you know, spring clamps to line it up, and then clamp the seam, and then go to the other side and work my way back to the seam. Which might be unnecessary, but it seems to be working out, so I'm sticking with it.
I, for one, am excited to see finish on this bad boy.
Yeah, dude, that shell is sweet. So needs to get a little bit.
Sorry, sir, your count's low. So this thing is a mini kick I started back in 2019.
Yeah.
It was gonna become my gigging kick for the Nine Inch Nails tribute band I was doing, and with the same sheet metal, aluminum sheet metal layering as the snare drum I have. So I pulled it back out yesterday at my house, and I was going to take a run at it, but the edges had some steppage. I needed the big sanding table. And then once I got it here, I was like, I'll just have Bill do it because he's used to this table and I'm really not. It's not like I just blatantly Tom Sawyered him into it. Well, I kind of did, but...
I mean,
He knows the table, okay, guys?